Meaning of dialog box.
Dialog box.
Dialog box.
Dialog box.
Dialog box. A dialog box is a graphical user interface element that displays information or prompts the user to provide input or make a choice. It typically appears as a small window that overlays the main application window and can be moved or closed by the user. Dialog boxes are commonly used to display error messages, warning messages, confirmation messages, or to obtain user input for settings or preferences. They are a critical component in many software applications, providing users with clear options and facilitating communication between the user and the system.